How are you guys? My name is Jyoti and today I'm going to create a soft glam makeup look for all the party functions with minimum to minimum products so that you guys can create this look with less efforts. So always start with cleansing up your face with any makeup remover product. Like here I'm using the Bioderma Micellar water even though you have washed your face. So now I'm going to hydrate my skin with the Kama Lavender water. If you have very dry skin, then good moisturizer is must for your skin. So here I'm using the Cleaning Moisture Surge before starting my makeup. After applying your moisturizer, give a good massage on your skin so that it gives a smooth canvas for your makeup. For the hydration of your lips, you can use any lip care product. So here I'm using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So now move on to your base. For face base, we require 3 products: foundation, warm concealer and the lighter concealer. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty concealer which is 1 or 2 tones darker than my skin tone. बेसिकली ये वार्म कंसीलर हमारी डिस्कलरेशन पार्ट को करेक्ट करेगा. जहाँ जहाँ भी आपको डिस्कलरेशन लगती है विच इज़ लाइक ब्लैक एरिया और रेड एरिया और एनी ग्रीन एरिया, then you can cover that part with this warm concealer. Now we will start blending immediately because ये self drying product होते हैं और बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाते हैं. You can even use your finger. Wherever you're finding some gray area still showing, then you need to cover it again. So here I'm using this Charlottetilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which is normal to like medium to high coverage foundation. This foundation is buildable foundation, like आप medium से high coverage तक जा सकते हैं. So daytime में you can create a medium coverage, and for night time of course you need a full coverage foundation. So here I am taking just 3 pump of this foundation and you can see this is giving a full coverage. And never forget your neck area. So we are done with the foundation part. Now I'm taking this lighter concealer जो मेरी foundation color से 1 or 2 tone lighter है, and here I'm taking medium neutral in Tarte. Now you can see whole part is looking similar, my eye area, my cheek area, my neck area. So now this means our base is ready. Now to set our base, we require any compact powder or setting powder. So here I'm using the Charlottetilbury face powder, and always set first on the crease areas which are our under eye area and around the mouth. Now we don't have any colors on our face, so colors basically होते हैं like lips, cheeks and eyes. So let's first start with the eye makeup. I'm taking this shade as my base shade from Huda Beauty. For the blending of this base shade, we require always a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to give depth with a warmer shade on outer corners. Now blend this warm color on your corner area with smaller fluffy brush. Now main part is always bend these corners so that there shouldn't be any harsh line. Now I'm taking this Chambord Blackest Black 01 kohl pencil and applying on my lash line, and you need to be very quick for blending, and we are blending just upper part without touching the lower area of the liner. So now I'm going to apply kajal pencil on my waterline, or if you are not kajal person then you can use the nude pencil. Now I'm going to take this kind of flat rounded brush, और जो हमने पहले लिया था transition color, I'm taking the same color and apply under my kajal area. So whenever you are applying the lower eyeshadow part, then always merge both the eyeshadows so that वो बहुत ही seamless लगे. Now I'm taking this Benefit mascara, and the best part of this mascara, this wand is so slim so that ये आपके जो lower lash है उस पर भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से अप्लाई हो जाता है. Next, brow shaper. This is basically a wax जो आपकी eyebrows को groom करती है. स्पूली से पहले आप अपने हेयर को सेट कर लीजिए एंड देन गिव अ बेस. Now you can see the difference. Now I'm going to take this NARS Blush Duo. The best part of this blusher is it has blusher plus highlighter. So एक ही palette पे आपके दोनों purpose solve हो जाते हैं. So I'm not using any highlighter as the blusher I have used from NARS, that was Orgasm. It was already in the form of a highlighter. So I think that's sufficient for me right now. So now I'm going to take this plum shade lip liner. And before applying lipper, I'm going to blend this lip liner. And now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty gloss in shade Fussy. So this is the final look, and you can see the base is so flawless. And if you have any query regarding this makeup look or the products or anything, whatever you want to know, I will definitely answer. So comment.